after what I would call a pretty thorough degreasing and scrubbing, it's still filthy. So this is a Getrag 260. I think, in my opinion, I guess, the better of the manual transmissions available for the E30, and it's from a Canadian car, so of course it was oil sprayed at some point, or many times. You can see it's all gunked up in there. So it's used for rust prevention in Canada. A lot of countries don't use it, but we definitely have it here, and it's really gross. I mean, if you're not trying to prep parts for paint, it's not a huge deal, but in this case, I find it kind of a pain to work with, but that is okay. So the next step is going to be wire wheeling the entirety of the transmission to prep it so we can get some paint on it and then further install new parts. Through all of this, I do often wish there was a slightly easier way to get into cool cars, and well, maybe there is. Which makes right now feel like the perfect opportunity to let you guys know that I am super excited to be working with Omaze to offer you guys the opportunity to win the all-new, all-electric Hummer EV Edition 1, while at the exact same time supporting a really great cause, rebuilding together. All you have to do is go to omaze.com/chromaticg for your chance to win. Of course, I'll have it all linked in the description for you guys below to click right through. Times are crazy right now. Gas prices are absolutely insane. So the ability to have a fully electric, 1,000 horsepower, crab walking SUV that has towing capacity if you have a trailer and cars is kind of perfect. And to do so all while supporting a really great cause, I think is kind of the perfect opportunity. For those of you who don't know, Rebuilding Together goes into communities often affected by natural disasters and other things. They'll have local representatives tell them what those communities need, and they'll assist them in any way they can. I think all of us know someone that's been affected by a natural disaster at one point in their life. So for your chance to win the all-new, fully electric Hummer EV Edition 1 and support the incredible work that Rebuilding Together does, go to omaze.com/chromaticg and enter to win. perfect? No, not really, but I think it's pretty good, and to be honest, it's covered by a heat shield, exhaust, and a bunch of other stuff, so for this to go under the car, I think it's gonna be okay. I didn't end up putting the accessories on it. I missed one bushing, one tiny little bushing I need to order. Everything else is here. So Clutch Masters, stage 1 clutch. This is RHG, Australian company. It's a lightweight flywheel, master slave, pilot bearing, torque shifter, a bunch of stuff from Ireland Engineering, Condor mounts, Condor clutch line. Everything's there, all ready to go on. I just have to wait for one tiny little bushing that I forgot. But that's how it works. And in Canada, it's not so easy to get. So I'm gonna post this video now. And in the next video, this is gonna go all in the car and everything's gonna go on it as well. But in terms of the detailing or the restorative aspect of it, I think it's good. I did some Pour 15 on the output flange. It was kind of rusty, but I think this should protect it. The drive shaft is getting powder coated. I would have just put Pour 15 on it, but it's kind of going to be violently spinning around in the back of the car, so powder coat might be a bit more robust. But yeah, I think it looks good. I'm happy with it. This was resealed before I got it. That's why I wasn't really concerned about taking it apart and doing it. I think it works just fine like this. I took out the screws or the bolts, sanded them to make them look a little bit better. There's a few I didn't take out because it kind of interferes with the internals, but I'm cool with this. I like this. Hope you guys are cool with this. If your transmission looks better than this, please let me know.